he's been kind of the standard of the class so far this year, especially in consistency.